Hi, welcome to Julia's Embroidery. I'm going to show you how to do French knots. Start with 2 strands of floss and put a little knot in the end of it after you've threaded your needle. Then you're going to come up through the fabric. So up like this. And then you're going to wrap your needle twice and hold it with your thumb and forefinger. Then you're basically going to go back down, not through the same hole, but right next to it. So I push the needle in and then I've released the needle with this hand, but I'm still holding on to that there so that it stays taut until it starts to, you can let go right at the end once it's mostly gone through, and then just pull gently to tighten it at the end. You don't want to pull really hard or it will come all the way through the fabric. So you're going to go up through the fabric, and I find I have to put it down to do this part, and then back down, and then just release once you've got to the end. And that makes French knots. You can also do 1 wrap French knots. So come up through the fabric, go around just once. Keep hold of it taut until it's almost at the end, and then you can release. And just be very gentle with it when you pull, because as I say, it will come all the way through and it's disappointing. So up through the fabric, wrap around your needle, hold it taut with your other hand, and send the needle back through. And then pull your needle through the fabric gently. And that's French knots. I'll show you one more. These are very fun. And you can do them with 1 strand of fabric, or, most of the time I do them with 2, but you can use 1, or you could even use more strands, which I do in this sampler. So I'll show you a 2 wrap. So wrap it twice, send it back down through the fabric. Keep holding it taut till you're almost at the end, and then you can gently pull through.